you've trained on both the Soyuz TMA-M series, and now you've also had to train on the new Soyuz MS that you're going to be launching to the space station. What do you consider to be the most challenging part of doing that additional training for you and your entire crew?
I think the crew has really come together and demonstrated that they can be flexible and adaptable in this training, and it gives me actually a great deal of confidence in the ability of our crew to handle any kind of situation. The training's been great and we feel really prepared.
I wanted to ask you about the program of your flight. So, can you please tell us about your feelings, about what is planned? First of all, I wanted to say that we're going to fly the new modification of the Soyuz vehicle. It will be called Soyuz MS. Actually, 3 test flights are scheduled for this modification, so our flight will be the first test flight. So, is it different from the previous modification of the Soyuz vehicle? Well, actually, those who are familiar with the previous modification will not face any difficulties controlling this spacecraft. What will be new in the new modification of the Soyuz vehicle? First of all, I wanted to mention new systems. We will have satellite navigation system. Then the propulsion system has changed. We will have 2 independent interchangeable manifolds. Of course, this will significantly improve the spacecraft performance, and I wanted to mention the TV system and some other systems. What do you feel, Kate, before your first flight? I feel great. Our crew is ready. Our training flow took 2.5 years, and I think we are ready to perform the tasks assigned to us. So you lived in the United States, you lived in London, you have a background as a scientist. So what do you look forward to most during this flight? So the training actually was not different. Cosmonauts training, I mean, astronauts have to perform their program, scientific program on board the station, so we will also have to perform several EVAs. We will have to install the international docking adapter. So what experiments are you most looking forward to? I'm a biologist, as you know, and I'm looking forward to performing biology, molecular experiments, and I hope that we will be the first crew to determine a DNA sequence on board the station. So I wanted to ask you, what do you feel before a flight, before your first flight? Yes, exactly. This will be my first flight. It will be a very important stage in my life, and I think it will be very interesting for me. It will be definitely a very important step in my life. I'm very grateful to my commander. He allowed me to select a mascot for our flight, and I selected a mascot that my daughter loves very much. I will show it to you during our press conference. So, is it a toy? Yes, it's a bear. Okay. So,
for Kate Rubins of NASA, how do you feel about your level of preparation for your upcoming mission, and what would you consider to be the most challenging level and areas of your training so far?
I think our team is very well prepared. We've spent a number of years training both in Russia and the US, as well as Japan, in Europe and in Canada. So I think we're extremely well prepared for our mission. I think the most challenging thing actually is one of the most exciting things, in that we have so many things that we're going to be working on in the space of the next few months. We have the international docking adapter coming. We have lithium-ion batteries that will be arriving on HTV-6, and we have more than 200 different science experiments that we're going to be fulfilling during the course of the mission.
I wanted to ask you one more question about the mascot. So what color will this bear be? Brown bear. It will be a brown bear. It's a very small toy, this size approximately. Okay. This will be your first flight to the ISS. What do you feel and what expectations do you have? Well, we all feel confident and we look forward to the successful completion of the mission. All right? Thank you very much and please hold your hands.
Мне должно лишь ввести и сделать.